Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Visionary Global Consultancy. Friends, we are going to discuss about internship in Spain. This is paid internship program. We will discuss in details. So before going in details, I request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can easily receive all upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. Here I have opened the official page of Airbus Internship Program. You can see here internships in Spain. First of all, introduction about Airbus. Airbus sites in Spain are always looking for new interns because they bring in different skills and languages. These internship roles are located in different cities of Spain. You can see here the names: Gaddafi, Sevilla, Las Casas. They have given other cities as well. Interning at our Spain sites is an amazing experience that holds many rewards for those who dust off their resumes or CVs and dive into all the opportunities Airbus has to offer. These internship programs are fully paid. All the things will be covered in this internship program. Here you can see this Airbus provide internships for recent graduates from all disciplines. Internship positions are available all year around. There is no any specific deadline to apply. These are opportunities to work as an intern in all areas of Airbus, including engineering, manufacturing, engineering operations, customer services, IT and support functions. In this internship program is generally lasts 12 months full time, and you must be able to work in a Spanish or English speaking environment. If you don't have a Spanish language, then you can also apply through your English proficiency. Here you can see benefits: collective transport, meal in the company and others. As I said you earlier that all the things will be covered by this internship program. Students from different backgrounds, for example, management, IT, engineering, can apply for this internship program. You can see here open positions. Now we will check. Here I have opened this Airbus careers page. You can see 7 jobs found, means 7 internships for which we can apply now in this situation. Internship 22-23 Human Resources Business Partner. This internship program is for management business students. And you can see here IT Business Relationship Managers for HR Solutions, IM Business Analyst, Internship Finance Department, Internship. You can get all the details from here. We will open, for example, this Human Resources Business Partner. We will check the details about this internship program. Here, this internship program posted 13 days ago. This is the number of this internship program. One position for our full-time graduate program in the Human Resources Department. Now you can see here the requirements. We are looking for recent graduates from human resources, law, economics, business, administration disciplines interested in developing their professional career in the aeronautical sector, aeronautical engineering or the management administrative department. Here you can see the requirements. What does internship consist in? All the requirements they have shown here. Your profile: recently graduated or a student in the absence of subject studies in human resources, law, economics, English negotiation and high-level Spanish, team spirit and great collaboration skills, ability to work in complex and international environments. Why should you apply? Each and everything they have given here. Experience level entry. For example, if you are fresh graduate, you can apply. If you have any further question about this, then you can send them directly email on this email address they have given. So it's very easy to apply. For applying, you have to click here, apply online. First, if you want to apply manually, then you can click here. You will click here. Or if you want to apply through your resume, so autofill with resume, you will click here, and then your CV you will upload here, and all the details they will get from your CV. Now, terms, you can see here study aid, how much amount they pay, 1,000 euros per month with the social security contribution. Your all insurances will be covered by them. Duration, this internship program duration is 11 months. August is off. And other social benefits, shuttle, for example, from your accommodation place to the company, shuttle bus will take you and pick you and drop you back at your accommodation place. Meal in the company, your food will be covered by them as well. So all these are the requirements and the details about this internship program. This is good opportunity not only for engineering students but for management students as well. If you have any more question, you can ask in comment box or contact me directly on a Telegram group. I have given the link in the description of this video. So this is all about today. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.